Hello and welcome to a new episode of Yantriki, where I am going to solve one more problem on production and productivity. A manufacturing unit is producing 8,000 products by employing 50 workers at 8 hours per day for 25 days in a month. If the company increases this quantity to 9,600 products by hiring additional 10 workers at 8 hours per day for 25 days in a month, is there increase in the labor productivity? What will be the increase in the labor productivity if the company increases the quantity to 10,000 products without hiring additional workers? Pretty simple question, very simple concept behind it. We have already discussed in our previous video that productivity that you can mention with, say, efficiency, the sign can be efficiency, or you can consider it as efficiency, is output upon input. The only thing is that you have to recognize in these cases that what is the output and what is the input in all the cases given. Right here the case number 1, then the second case and the third case, or you can say the various cases. We will discuss here the various cases. The company is producing 8,000 products by, so I'm going to write here the output. In the first case, the 8,000 products will be considered as its output. 50 workers, 8 hours per day and 25 days in a month. So, and here I am writing the inputs for the various cases. 50 workers, it is input, multiplied by 8 hours and multiplied by 25 days in a month. This is the present case. Now in case number 2, what is the output? Let us see. It says if the company increases this quantity to 9,600 products, the new output will be 9,600 in case number 2. By hiring 10 additional workers, 10 workers, earlier it was 50, now 10 workers have increased, 60 multiplied by 8 and then multiplied by 25 days in a month they are working, multiplied by 25. Now they are asking, is there any increase in the labor productivity? So very clear, if you have this output divided by input and this output divided by this input, you can get the value of productivity. And then they ask you in the third case, what will be the increase in the labor productivity if the company increases the quantity to 10,000 products, and they say without hiring any additional workers. So they refer here again to the first case, in which we have 50 multiplied by 8 and that is multiplied by 25. You can have a look. You have very clearly distinguished between output and the input. And now all you have to do is divide these two terms. To make it more simple, I have already solved here the cases. Here you can see in the present scenario, the output in the first case is 0.8. Second case, where there are additional workers increase, say the productivity is constant, it remains 0.8 in both the cases. In the third case, when the company is not hiring any additional workers, so I have mentioned here 0, the productivity is 1. Now coming back to the question, they are asking you, is there an increase in the labor productivity? Your answer will be very clear, no, because in these two cases the productivity will remain 0.8. Then they ask you what will be the increase in the labor productivity. So if you look at the solution, you will find that yes, there is a difference, and the difference in productivity is, so 1 minus 0.8, that is 0.2. This will be the increase in the productivity. I hope you understood this problem and you will be able to solve this in your exams. I will be uploading more such videos on industrial engineering. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye, and yes, thank you for watching the video.